Hi everyone, hope you're all alright today. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to have a little look at the Zasdar S3 air pistol. It's quite a classic air pistol in the way that, there's a lot of other brands that import these, with being a Chinese air pistol. So you'll see ones from Norica and SMK as well. But like I said, this is the Zasdar imported one, and it's the S3, and this is the 4.5mm 177 pellet break barrel air pistol. It's got quite a bit of weight to it. It's a nice handful, quite a big air pistol actually, and I've got big hands, and yeah, it's got a nice weight to it. It does feel solid, and it's got adjustable sights at the back, fibre optic with the green fibre optic dots, and that's adjustable for windage and elevation. There's no grooves for telescopic sight or red dot or anything like that on top of the receiver though. And the front sight, just a blade type. Again, there's no safety on this air pistol. I'm not sure if it's like that on all the versions of it, but on this one there's no safety, and it's a single action. Single stage trigger. So you have to be pretty careful with it really. Again, all you do is break the barrel, and then you would just cock it until it clicks. And then I would always advise with this, keeping a firm hold of the barrel while you're loading the pellet in, with it having no safety, and the trigger's pretty fine, that would really take your fingers off. So I would always keep a firm hold of the barrel while you're loading the pellet in. But yeah, it's not that powerful either. I think it's only putting out about 1.5 foot per pound. I would like to just put a couple of preload washers in and put it up to about 2.5 foot per pound. Yeah, that would make it a lot harder to load, but it just have a slight bit more power to it, and I would more likely use it a bit more then. And you can get a cocking aid for these pistols that you put over the barrel and use it as like a lever just to extend the barrel to cock it, so it's a bit easier. So that would help as well without the power. But anyway, this one comes with polymer stock grip. You can get them in a wood one as well, but yeah, it's quite a solid polymer as well. It's nice. I think that would take a lot of knocks. And it does come with a hole for a lanyard or something, whatever you want to hang off it. You just got the "this is not a toy" warnings on, which in my opinion that ruins air guns. And again, at the other side, but that's all there is to it really. So just a quick look at that. Right, thanks for watching everyone. Hope you have a good day. Bye.